Today we are discussing questions and answers for Microsoft Power BI Data Analyst PL-300. You can download the complete list of Microsoft-based questions from the link provided in the description. Our question is, you have a Microsoft Excel file in a Microsoft OneDrive folder. The file must be imported to a Power BI dataset. You need to ensure that the dataset can be refreshed in powerbi.com. Which two connectors can you use to connect to the file? Each correct answer presents a complete solution. Option A, Excel workbook. Option B, text or CSV. Option C, folder. Option D, SharePoint folder. Option E, wave. Correct answer is option D. Our next question is, you are profiling data by using Power Query Editor. You have a table named reports that contains a column named state. The distribution and quality data matrix for the data in state is shown in the following exhibit. Now see this exhibit. Use the drop-down menus to select the answer choice that completes each statement based on the information presented in the graphic. Now see this section. And this is the correct answer. Our next question is, you have two CSV files named products and categories. The product file contains the following columns: product ID, product name, supplier ID, category ID. The categories file contains the following columns: category ID, category name, category description. From the Power BI desktop, you import the files into Power Query Editor. You need to create a Power BI dataset that will contain a single table named product. The product will table includes the following columns: product ID, product name, supplier ID, category name, category description. How should you combine the queries? And what should you do on the category query? To answer, select the appropriate options in the answer area. Now see this section. And this is the correct answer. Our next question is, you have an Azure SQL database that contains sales transactions. The database is updated frequently. You need to generate reports from the data to detect fraudulent transactions. The data must be visible within 5 minutes of an update. How should you configure the data connection? Option A, add a SQL statement. Option B, set the command timeout in minutes setting. Option C, set data connectivity mode to import. Option D, set data connectivity mode to direct query. Correct answer is option D. Our next question is, you have a Power BI data model that imports data from a Microsoft Excel spreadsheet. You use Power Query to load a query that contains both renamed and custom columns. Later, you attempt to reload the query and receive the following error message. expression.error. The column category of the table wasn't found. What are two possible causes of the error? Each correct answer presents a complete solution. Option A, the column was removed from the source file. Option B, the column was renamed in the source file. Option C, the file is no longer in the specified location. Option D, the data type of the column was changed. Correct answer is option A. If you are preparing for any Microsoft-based certifications, you can download the complete list of valid, tried and tested questions and answers from the link provided in the description below.